Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Explorer and Properties, then select the instance you want to annotate. Right-click and choose Add Attribute. Pick the type, number, string, bool, vector3, and set a default value. Why do this now? Because attributes attach metadata directly to instances, avoiding extra scripts or value objects. Once done, give attributes meaningful, case-sensitive names so you can reference them reliably in code and avoid runtime lookup errors. Make sure to save the place before moving on. You now wire attributes into behavior with simple API calls. Call instance, set attribute, key, value to store data, and read it with instance get attribute, key. Use attribute changed, connect to react to updates instead of polling. This reduces CPU and prevents race conditions. Remember why? Attributes are replicated and persist with the instance, making them ideal for syncing state. Once attributes hold the right types, make sure clients and servers agree on naming and types. To avoid nil reads, you finish by testing attributes in both client and server contexts. Run play solo, then server to confirm replication. When saving player or object state, read attributes server-side and store values into data store, then restore them on load using set attribute. If things go wrong, make sure you are accessing the correct instance and that attribute names match exactly. Replication can lag, so wait for attribute changed or confirm on the server to avoid race conditions. Finally, log get attribute returns to spot nils quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.